Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm performing simple engine oil change on this 2010 Matrix. The customer brought his own product and he said, hey, when you will be doing the oil change, can you add this product in the engine oil? He said if you can do the engine oil, use normally that 4.4 quarts of the engine oil, and instead of one of the quarts of that oil, you will pour this product inside. I was like, well, why you want to do that? And he said, on all cars which I did own in the past, I use it in the engines and I feel it helps to protect them and prolong the life of the product. I always follow recommendation of the Toyota engineers who says use these oils and there's no need to add any additives. Of course, then life is showing all kinds of weird stuff. Recently I had a vehicle here which was serviced by the dealer, and I'm going through the service history, and a vehicle had only like 60,000 miles, and now I read that the dealer is selling additive for engine oil and also for coolant at 60,000 miles, fairly brand new vehicle, and they are selling extra stuff. So instead of typical engine oil change, which will cost, let's say, example, $80, suddenly the customer, I saw the bill on the bottom, it's like $200. So I guess that's how you make money. So basically, this video, I wanted to ask you, are you familiar with this product? I didn't even see it on the shelf anywhere. And it's probably because I don't pay attention to these things, right? It's a DURA LUBE Engine Treatment. Immediately helps the engine run cooler and quieter. Formulated to treat the engine, not just the oil. 100% safe and will not avoid manufacturer warranties. I didn't ask how much it was. I will just do what the customer wants, right? That's the correct way to do that. They basically really say, replace 1 quart of oil with 1 quart of DURA LUBE Engine Treatment in the crankcase. Easy to use, top off. You can use it as a topping off when your engine oil will be low. So it's interesting. It's made in USA, never saw it. I don't sell these things to the people, I just stick with the oil which is in the engines, but maybe I should. Maybe I should make, instead of $80, we'll put the treatment in the coolant and treatment over there, and I will make more money, and I will hire the camera person finally who will film me instead of me trying to film myself. So what do you think? I wanted to ask you, seriously. I wanted to ask you, number 1, do you have any experience with this? Number 2, do you use any, let's do the engine oil or maybe coolant, do you use any additives? Because so far I was completely avoiding this. Never. I thought it's a gimmick. It will do nothing for the engine. I know there's ton of it. Or these Lucas things and so on, right? You go to the parts store and there is this thing, a display where you turn these 2 wheels with a conventional oil and Lucas additive, and you see how the oil spreads better over these little wheels. That's a famous one, right? Every single aftermarket store has that. So I don't know. Please put in the comments your experience. What do you do? I will read it. I will not answer that, but I will go through it. I would like to hear from you. What do you say? This is one of those. and I will put it in this vehicle today. So thank you for watching, thank you for supporting this channel. If you like the videos, give it a thumb up and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See ya, my friend. I'm pretty sure you are like me, curious what is in it. I have no idea. Let's go open it. I will pour it. You can watch. We can see what kind of color. What is in it, right? So let me take that camcorder camera off that tripod and let's go together. Live. It's a live action. Engine treatment. So, I have no clue. Are we going? Is there enough light? Should be. Just create a good. So it's very clear. It's more clear than that 0W20 full synthetic I will be using. Yeah, so this is the 1 quart. This one to the RFE, it takes 4.4. So I will be adding another 3.4 quarts of the 0W20. Alright, you saw it.